Hello friends, computer knowledge quota में welcome. Now we are going with studying about data visualization. So I'm just explaining some basic graphs. NumPy as np import matplotlib clip dot pyplot as plt. Now age equals to np dot orange. Suppose 1 comma 20 comma 1.25. Then b equals to np dot log an a. So what should we do? So plt dot plot nb, plt dot plot comma a comma b, and now see the output. What is the output? We can see that if error, we'll check. Okay, this is the the explain of this. Okay, so this type diagram. Now some basic things. Just I show you data visualization. Suppose c is equals to np dot cos is equals to a, and plt dot plot a comma b, and plt dot plot a comma c, and line style, line style is equals to dashdot dash dot, and plt dot show. Now see the output. Okay, so this is the our output, but cos this line you can see that. Okay, this is the line style of dash dot, a different type of value plotting the c. Okay, so we can change the color also. We can, so I just explain one more program. In that case, suppose I am taking of this code copy and that paste. Now a b, and now our text is here vd background border dashed b dashed, and another plot is just a mesh ro, that ro, and see the output of. Now this is the dash style of blue, and this is the scatter of red colors, different dashes. So blue of dashes and red of dot. So you can see that style of this color. So bd is equals to blue of dot, dashes, and red of dotted. Okay, so are you getting my point? Now I'll just explain bar graph. Next is bar graph. So what is bar graph? First important, what is bar graph? A bar graph is a graphical graphical display of data using bars of different heights. So bar graph is a graphical display of data using bars of different heights. So we use some functions regarding. Suppose I am just plotting a bar graph. I just show you. Okay, plt dot bar a comma b, and see the output. Okay, this is the bar graph of our cos and sine values. So this is the bar graph. Now I'll just change plt dot plot a comma c, and see the output. A different type of cost value suddenly changes. A, B value is different, and A or C. This is the value of C. NP dot cost A, C, and PLT dot A, B. So we are just saying different of the times allotted the plot. So I just show you one more thing, and that PLT dot plot A comma B. Now PLT dot X label. So values of bar here APH, and dot PLT dot Y label, values of Y label, and values of bar graph. So bar label, Y label. So in that case I just show you. Okay, so suppose I am using a value of text. Okay, so you can see the different type of graph plotting. Just I am plot the value. So PLT dot bar will have to write if you want to print the bar graph. Okay, suppose PLT dot haste you type and that A comma B, then you can see that a histogram is here. Clear? So according to this, suppose I'm just making a different type of chart. So suppose city is the column, and I just mention Kota, Bundi, Jaipur, Jhalawar. Okay, so 4 cities we are having in Rajasthan, and suppose PO, PU, population is the another key terms. Okay, suppose Kota population is 15k, so 15,25,200 suppose, and according to Bundi, just integer value, according to Bundi 8,52,365, 8,25,365. Okay, now Jaipur 70,50,500, Jhalawar 13,58,650. So we just mention of the population of 4 cities. Now PLT dot bar PITY city POPULA populations. Both of the command is variable we are having, and PLT dot X label. So X label denoted by CITIE cities, and PLT dot Y label, this is denoted by population. Okay, now one more thing, PLT dot TITLE title show the city populations, and PLT dot show. Okay, now let's see the output. Okay, so according to 70 lakh, much more better than 70 lakhs, so we just here to population 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So around Kota about 10 to 20, around Bundi below 10, around Jaipur about 70, and around Jhalawar nearby 10 to 15. So this is the bar graph. Got it? So we can change the width also in bar graph. So how can we change the width of the bar graph? It's simple. So we just mention a column and plot cities of the population, and width width is equals to 3, and see the output. This is the width into 3. Suppose upon width into 0.25. So let's change. Okay, this is the width according to color. Now we change. Suppose how can understand how can we change the width of the this. Now we can adjust a different type of value also. Suppose width, we are selecting width. Okay, so each and every block we can give different. Okay, 0.25, 0.35, 0.65, 0.85. Okay, now see the output. Okay, error, because this minimal error is that 0.25. Okay, so we'll have to close square bracket. Then you can see that each and every width is different. Okay, so we can change to quota also, and okay, now okay, so this is the diagram according to Jensen crossing. So we will have to shift the Jaipur is the largest and is the okay. So just show the number of population. Now we can change the color also. How can we change the chart color of the? So in this manner we just use COLOR, color is equals to red. Now see the color we can change. This is the color we change. So we can specify a different color of different bar of each. So how can we specify different color of different bar? So we just copy of this text of bar graph and paste it here over here. So PLT bar cities population. So we just mention color, and we use square bracket of this code and close this bracket, and we just mention suppose red. Okay, so red will give a Jaipur. Okay, blue, green, red and yellow. So now we execute the things. 8 minute. This is red, blue, red, BG, black. Okay, so G 8 and okay, blue, red, black, BLACK. Now okay, so we can write green, no issue. Okay, and it's good. Okay, so you can see that according to bars are different color and different width is here. So we can set. Now one more thing, just in that case I'll just show you creating multiple bars chart. So multiple bar chart we can create. How? So decide number of X point you need. So few points will have to add in this column. So decide number of X points. First we'll have to decide the how much number of X point. Second we need to decide thickness of each bar and accordingly adjust x points on x axis. So we'll have to decide this, and next point we'll have to decide ki give a different color to different data ranges. So we'll have to give different data ranges. And next point is plot using bar. Plot using bar for each range separately. So these points will have to follow of creating multiple charts. Okay, so first I just designed something changes of this according to data. Okay, so just override this program and import matplot lib.py plot. Okay, py plot as a plt, and import numpy as np. Okay, so we'll have, suppose I'm taking age goes to 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now b goes to 2.8, 3.5, 6.5, 7.5. So we are having two list of the array. Now x is equals to np.arange, arrange, यानी कि a range, len of a. Okay, now plt dot bar x comma a comma color code is equals to suppose red. Now comma width is equals to 0.40. Okay, now next plt dot bar x comma b. So bar, so x plus, okay, so 0.40 x plus 0.40 b comma color color is equals to green, and width is equals to 0.40. So now next plt dot show. So just I am selecting multiple bars create and multiple colors of that color. So you can see that the output, each color have a different bar and different color. So are you getting my point? How can we create a multiple bars of that column? Now it is very linearable. So I just show you one more example of this. I'm just showing you one more example of multiple bars. So once here again we'll have to import only one at a time, one time import in Jupyter, but when you making a idle program, so every time you have to write these files, import matplot lib.plot plot as a plt. So next what should just we design the variable of value. Okay, so value, okay, 5 point comma 0.25 comma okay, 5 point and 25 point comma. Okay, next is 45 point comma and 20 points. So these are the values. So making a graph. Okay, so next is 4 point comma, 23 point comma, 49 point comma and 17 point. So another comma, and we just create a one more value. So 6 point comma, 22 point comma, 47 point comma, and the last is the 19 point comma. So each and every 4 5 6, okay, 5 4 6, 25 23 22 45 49 47, okay, 20 17 and 19. So this is the mid value of each and every. So now our next point is x is equals to np dot a range of value 4, a range value of 4. So plt dot bar x plus 0.00 suppose comma value of 0, now comma color, color is equals to b4 blue, okay, comma width is equals to 0.25. now go to the next one, plt dot bar x plus 0.25 comma value of array 1, value of array 1, now comma color it goes to green, now width is goes to 0.25. now another value is plt dot bar, so x plus 0.50, so value of array 2, then the color is equals to red, for red, width is equals to 0.25. so and now last one is plt dot show, and see the output. Okay, we are having a 3 array, first 0 to 5, 5 point, 25 point, 45 point. Okay, so first 0.5, 0.4, 0.6 according to 10. now 1 10 to 15s according to next 0.25, this one blue, okay, 23 green, 22 red, now once again blue, 45 blue, 49 green, 47 red, now next 20 blue, 17 green and 19 red. So according to L, the color bar chart will be reflected. So another one very important part today, then we'll finish creating a horizontal bar, creating a horizontal bar chart. So this is a vertical chart, and now we are creating horizontal chart. How? Just look at this. Okay, suppose I am just going to that program, palette of that program. Okay, this one. Okay, I am just copy this program and paste it over here. Paste it over here. Okay, so I just change. Cities already we decide, population already decide. Now population, city already we decide, and we can just plt dot bar h horizontal, plt dot bar h. Now everything same, and you can just execute, and that is the error, because bar edge got a multiple values for width. So we are getting we'll have to remove this multiple value of this portions. Okay, no. Then execute of this multiple values argument width according to multiple argument of width. Okay, so okay, we cannot judge on bar, so I just remove all that things and wait. Okay, so I'll see. Okay, now 45 illiterate. Okay, this is quoted left, then I start. Okay, plt dot bar h. Okay, bar h. So okay, value of width. Okay, this command is not over here. Okay, this is not available, we cannot add this command of here and right now. So I'll just execute of this code and you can see that bar, this is the bar graph. Okay, different argument we cannot attach horizontal side, so this is the okay, so that is the bar chart we can print through the bar h command. Now scatter plots offer a convenient way to visualize how to numeric values are related in your data. It helps in understanding relationship between multiple values. So using a scatter method we can create a scatter plot. So figure x plt dot subplots, x is equals to np dot linear space minus 1 and 50, and y is equals to np dot random dot random 50 x scatter xy, and then execute. You can see that a scatter chart is here. Okay, bar graph already we discussed. Just bar method we can I'll just show you a different of charts. Import pandas as a pd, mydf gd dot data frame np dot random range 10 4 columns a b c d df my plot and bar graph. You can see that a different type of colors. Wait till we plotting different type bar is here. So okay, now friends, tomorrow I'll teach you pie. Okay, we'll discuss about tomorrow pie chart. This is the very important on this visual data, so don't forget to watch my channel, like, share and subscribe. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.